natural health for beginners.
How to make strawberry glycerin extract. Are you a fan of all-natural skincare or flavor enhancers? Strawberry glycerin extract is a simple, homemade solution that can be used in everything from cosmetic products to culinary dishes. In this video, we'll walk you through the easy steps to make your very own strawberry glycerin extract, with exact quantities and instructions. Ingredients: fresh strawberries, 1 cup, about 150 g, washed and hulled. Vegetable glycerin, 1 cup, 240 milliliters, a natural humectant found in health stores. Distilled water, a quarter cup, 60 milliliters, to dilute the glycerin. Tools you'll need: a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid, 8 to 12 ounces. A fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. A sterilized dark glass bottle for storage, optional, but great for longevity. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Prepare the strawberries. Start by slicing your fresh strawberries into small pieces to increase the surface area and help release their natural flavor and nutrients. Create the glycerin mixture. In a small bowl, combine 1 cup of vegetable glycerin with a quarter cup of distilled water. This dilution prevents the mixture from becoming too thick and aids in extracting the strawberries' properties. 3. Combine and store. Add the sliced strawberries to a clean glass jar. Pour the glycerin and water mixture over the strawberries, ensuring the fruit is fully submerged. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks. Shake the jar every couple of days to help with the infusion process. 4. Strain and store the extract. After the infusion period, use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to strain the liquid into a clean bowl, removing the strawberry solids. Transfer the liquid into a sterilized dark glass bottle for long-term storage. It can last up to a year when stored in a cool, dark place. How to use strawberry glycerin extract. 1. For skincare, hydrating face mist. Mix 1 part strawberry extract with 3 parts distilled water and add it to a spray bottle. This mist is perfect for a refreshing, antioxidant-rich facial spray. Moisturizing face cream. Add a few drops of the extract to your favorite face lotion or cream for an added boost of hydration and a mild strawberry scent. 2. For culinary use. Beverages. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons to iced tea, lemonade, or cocktails for a sweet, fruity flavor. Desserts. Drizzle a few drops over ice cream, pancakes, or yogurt for a subtle strawberry essence. DIY syrups. Combine 2 to 3 teaspoons with honey or maple syrup for a natural strawberry-flavored topping. With just a few ingredients and some patience, you'll have a versatile strawberry glycerin extract that can elevate your skincare routine and culinary creations. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.